What if I told you that the thing you do every day, that skill you think is just normal, is exactly what someone else is praying to learn right now? Welcome to the first episode of our series on building a digital empire. Today, we're talking about the goldmine sitting inside your head, online courses. Right now, the global e-learning market is exploding, headed toward a staggering $350 billion. But here's the secret the gurus won't tell you: you don't need 1 million followers to get a piece of that pie. You don't need a film crew, and you certainly don't need to be a world-famous celebrity. The internet has democratized expertise. People are tired of overproduced, corporate training. They want transformation from real people who have actually been there and done that. Whether you know how to bake sourdough, use advanced Excel formulas, or train a stubborn puppy, there is an audience waiting to pay you for a shortcut to success. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to package that knowledge into a passive income machine that pays you while you sleep. The biggest mistake beginners make? They try to teach something too broad. If you launch a course called How to Do Marketing, you will fail. It's too loud out there. But if you launch Instagram marketing for local coffee shops, suddenly, you're the only expert in the room. To find your profitable niche, look at the intersection of 3 things. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? And most importantly, what are people already spending money on? You want to solve a specific bleeding neck problem. A problem that someone needs fixed right now. It's time for the validation test. Don't spend months building a course no one wants. Do these 3 things in the next 60 seconds of your planning. First, go to Amazon or Udemy. Are there books or courses on your topic with at least 50 reviews? If yes, that's good. It means there's a market. Second, check Google Trends. Is interest in your topic steady or growing? Third, the Reddit test. Go to a subreddit related to your skill. Are people asking, how do I do X? If you see that question over and over, you've found your gold mine. If people are asking, they are willing to pay for the answer. Validation over. If your idea passed, let's move to production. Now, let's talk about the gear trap. Most people never launch because they think they need a $4,000 camera and a soundproof studio. Stop. Your audience isn't buying your production value, they are buying the result you're promising. If you have a smartphone made in the last 3 years, you have a 4K cinema camera in your pocket. Here is your pro on a budget setup. Step 1, lighting. Face a window during the day. Natural light is better than any cheap LED kit you'll buy online. Step 2, audio. This is the only place you shouldn't skimp. People will watch a grainy video, but they will turn off a video with echoing, screeching audio. Grab a $30 lapel microphone that plugs into your phone, and you'll sound like a pro. Step 3, screen recording. If you're teaching software, use a tool like Loom or OBS. It's free and effective. Keep your lessons short, 5 to 10 minutes per video. Respect your students' time, keep the energy high, and focus on one win per lesson. You don't need a Hollywood set, you just need to be clear and helpful. Once your videos are recorded, where do they go? You have 2 main paths. Path A is the marketplace, like Udemy or Skillshare. They have the audience, but they control your pricing and take a huge cut of your sales. It's great for beginners who have 0 following. Path B is self-hosting on platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi. Here, you own the customer's email address, you set the price, and you keep the profit. This is how you build a real business. And speaking of profit, let's talk pricing. Don't just guess. There are 2 main strategies: low ticket, $27 to $97. This is a no-brainer purchase. It's great for high volume and building a large list of customers. High ticket, $497 to $1,997. This is for specialized, transformational results. My advice? Start in the middle. $197 is a sweet spot for a comprehensive course. It's high enough to show value, but low enough that people don't need a bank loan to learn from you. Remember, it's easier to find 10 people to pay $100 than it is to find 1,000 people to pay $1. If you build it, they will come is a lie. You have to go get them. But don't worry, you don't need a massive ad budget. You need value-based marketing. Start by giving away 10% of your best secrets for free on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. When you show people you can help them by actually helping them, trust is built automatically. Use the results in advance method. Post a video saying, "Here are 3 tips to solve." Then, at the end, say, "If you want the full step-by-step system to solve this forever, check out my course." Another secret weapon? Social proof. Even before you launch, give your course to 5 people for free in exchange for an honest testimonial. When potential buyers see that other people have gotten results, their fear of buying disappears. Marketing isn't about outselling, it's about showing people the bridge from where they are to where they want to be. Once you make your first sale, everything changes. You've proven that your knowledge has market value. Now, it's about scaling. This is where you move from a side hustle to a 6-figure machine. You do this by automating your sales funnel. You use email sequences that welcome new subscribers and offer them your course while you're out for dinner or at your day job. Eventually, you can take some of your profits and pour them into paid ads, turning $1 into $3 over and over again. This is the ultimate freedom. You built the asset once, and now it works for you indefinitely. Don't overcomplicate this. You are already an expert in something. Someone out there is a version of you from 3 years ago, struggling and looking for a map. You are that map. If you're ready to stop trading hours for dollars, pick your topic today. In our next episode, I'm going to show you another incredible way to package your knowledge, but this time in a format that stays on the bestseller lists for years. We're diving into the world of ebooks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and comment below with the topic you're thinking of teaching. I'll be jumping in to give feedback on your niche ideas. I'll see you in the next one.